the year. It's a new one. Year of the Rooster set. Let's open it. 7 years of the birth.
But you are?
3 years old.
Let's do it.
What? There's a red bucket over here.
Let's have a look.
Whoa! This is so cool. I never seen before. No money, Papa. Remember, give me ampoules.
How many packets are there?
Oh, what this?
What is this?
What this? Is it a sticker?
Yes. I think this is the rooster. These are the rooster's eyes. Maybe?
Whoa! The instruction comes.
Ah, it comes with instructions.
Come with instructions. 2 big pictures, a sticker, and instructions. Okay, let's build it. How about we start from this first?
Alright, let's open it.
Feel everywhere. I did it! Mama got leaf and flowers.
Can I have a look? Wow, yes, nice work.
Swing, swing, swing. Well, I think they eat a muddy puddle.
That's a muddy puddle?
Yes.
Like Peppa Pig?
Yeah. Jumping in the puddle. We have the base.
Wow, the base looks good, Ray.
Let's do the next steps. Look, they eat a chicken feet. Let's build the body. I can do it. I can handle this.
Good job.
These are the feathers.
Which ones? Wow.
These ones. Okay, let's snap.
Yay!
Yay! La, 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 la. Can fly. Wee, wee. Now we are building the head.
Can I see?
Head done, but no eyes.
Where are the eyes?
I don't know. Let's take the eyes.
Where?
Here.
Oh, the sticker?
Yeah.
The chicken without the eyes cannot see?
Yes.
Like you now?
Done. The head can turn. The beak can open and close. See?
Oh, awesome!
You can fly the wings. I fly away. Bye bye. Go, 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 go. It's Chinese New Year. Have a personal here.